Lola time. So Manny and Lola is a nail polish subscription box based here in the UK. I'm not sure if they do ship internationally, but I will leave all the information to their website for you down below so you can go check them out. It is £22.95 a month if you pay a 1 month rolling subscription, or you can get it for as cheap as £14 a month if you pay for a year subscription. They do different time periods, so 3, 6 or 12-month periods as well, but I pay it monthly, and so I get it for £22.95. That does include postage and packaging. So this is November's box. Unfortunately, you have to have your order in before the 10th of every month in order to get that month's box. So by the time I show you my box, this box is no longer available to you to buy. So the next box available is the December box. So get your order in before the 10th of December and you can have this box next month. So let's unbox it. It is a drawer and it comes out like this. Now, November was Manny and Lola's first birthday month, so which was really nice because it was my birthday too. We have first of all an Orly voucher card. So enjoy 20% off all Orly products. Apply the code NPD Orly at the checkout, and you can receive 20% off. So yeah, we do get these quite often, so it must be an ongoing kind of promotion that they have. So yeah, I'm really gonna might have a look. So then we have the card, and it says for November 2018 birthday box. Our November 2018 edit marks the 1-year anniversary of Manny and Lola. Our team selected some of their all-time favourite shades to feature inside this month's box, including a luxury Mani Pedi set by Spongelli. Experiment with versatile shades that are loved by Lola and ideal for trying out new looks during party season. So that is that, and all of the products and their prices and information are all on the back. So the first item I'm going to pull out is the Spongelli set. Look at this gorgeous packaging. Isn't that stunning? That's so cute. So cute, and an adorable little gift for somebody who's really into their nails and feet and stuff, you know. So this is a Spongelli Beyond Cleansing. There's 14 plus washes, it states on there. And these are a Mani and Pedi treatment set. Flower Market cleanses, exfoliates, softens and hydrates with extracts of peppermint and sea kelp. So each buffer is 7 plus washes. So what you do is you pull up this bit and you drop down this bit, and then it all folds out. So yeah, you have these little like yin and yang kind of sponges. So a bit like a yin and yang. So there's a green one and a white one, I suppose, so you can use one for your feet and one for your hands. I think that's a great idea, because you don't want to put on your hands what you've been using on your feet. Well, I certainly don't. These, I feel they're a bit like a cognac sponge. You know those cognac? I don't know. I feel like they're a bit like that. So I have used one. I've used a cognac sponge in the past, and I kind of really enjoyed it. I say kind of really enjoyed it. It just felt like a soapy sponge. And then it went rock hard when it dried. So, but yeah, these are rock hard. So yeah, you have to wet these in order to use them. I will stick these in the bathroom and try and use them as often as I can. Yeah, I guess I'll let you know in a future empties video what I thought about them. So yeah, I just love the packaging, and it's a magnetised clasp as well, which I think is stunning. You could so use this again in the future. You know, take it travelling with you if you wanted. Yeah, I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The subscription says A Spongelli Flower Market, recommended retail price of £13.95. It's quite expensive, but cognac sponges aren't expensive, and you do get 2 in here. Vegan friendly, cruelty free and dermatologically tested, this is a real luxury for your mani and pedi skincare regime. Spongelli bring you all-in-one treatment designed to revive dry hands and tired feet. Enjoy soothing extracts of peppermint and sea kelp and a softening formulation. Follow instructions on reverse of packaging for best results. I didn't even smell them. What's they smell like? Ooh, they do smell nice. They smell like spa soaps, you know? So really impressed with that. I probably will get quite a bit of use out of those if I put it in my bathroom. If I leave it in this room, it probably never gets used. So we have 5 polishes in our box for November. It really was a birthday month. So the first one is an OPI Infinite Shine. And this is in the shade Berlin There Done That. I love OPI's names. Berlin There Done That. So that is this one. It is a beautiful like taupe, like a light taupe shade. Real nice nude for the office or for general day to day. So recommended retail price for these is £14.50. Chosen as our timeless taupe and a mani must have, Berlin There Done That is our all-time favourite cappuccino brown. Wear with ease in OPI's superior infinite shine formula for a mani that is understated and modern. We always receive compliments when wearing this shade, so we wanted to share it with our wonderful subscribers. So that is that, and I do have it here on the wheel, and it is this shade here. These are from last month. So it's this beautiful nude here. I think it is a stunning taupe. For me, it is definitely one of those manis that you would wear when you've been wearing a lot of bright colours and you just want to chill out and relax. This is a gorgeous colour. The next one is one that when I first saw it, I thought, I've already got a colour that shade. Or a nail polish that shade. It is this Artistic Colour Revolution, and it is in a shiny like silver chrome, and the shade is Heart of Chrome. So this is a beautiful stunning silver, and like I say, when I first saw it I thought I already have a shade like this. But the recommended retail price for this is £9.95, and it says Artistic Heart of Chrome is a silver shade that is so wearable and full of multi-dimensional shimmer particles. Party season is here, and this is a lacquer that we adore for this time of year. Whether you use it for eye-catching tips, nail art, or a full glitter coverage, we promise that you'll love this shade for winter parties and cold evenings. And that is the difference. Yes, I do have a silver polish in my collection that I love and I adore, and it's kind of chromish, but this has like glitter in it. It is stunning. I will show you it on the wheel. So it is this one here, and I don't know if my camera's going to pick it up, but it has these beautiful shiny glittery particles in it. It's like tiny bits of glitter in there that just really sparkle and shine on your nail, and I'm actually really excited. I didn't realize it until I swatched it, and then I thought, oh wow, oh, you're not just a silver polish, you're a silver glitter polish. And I just think it's absolutely stunning. I really cannot wait to try this. So yeah. The next one is one that I'm it's the first polish I've ever received in a Mani and Lola box that I thought, really? And it's Zoya. It is Zoya's Cody, and it is a kind of murky brown, green kind of sludge colour. That's all I can describe it as. The recommended retail price for this is £11.70, and it says a luxury and rich glossy brown lacquer for classy nails in a flash. rich glossy brown. Enjoy Statement Nails and Zoya's award-winning vegan-friendly, cruelty-free and Big Ten free formula. This is a perfect colour for a confident and carefree daytime look that complements any winter outfit. Richly pigmented and easy to apply, Zoya polishes are long-lasting and high performance, making them a bestseller and a world-renowned brand. I don't think this is classy. I think this is like somebody has dredged up the bottom of a pond. I will show you it on a swatch wheel. It is this. So there it is. Okay. I'm not impressed with Zoya's brushes. I'm sorry, Zoya. But this tiny little brush does nothing. It does nothing. The formula is really thin. I did 2 coats, but it was still patchy on my swatch wheel. So then I really had to like overload my brush and like literally, it was just horrible. I am not a massive fan of Zoya's brushes, formula, and I definitely ain't a fan of this colour. I'm sorry, Manny and Lola, but this is not a birthday colour for me. This is the first dud I've ever received in a Manny and Lola box, and I'm so disappointed because I've had a couple of boxes now. I think I've been with them for maybe 5-6 months, something like that. So it's a good ratio that this is the first time I've ever been disappointed with a colour. But yeah, I think as well that I comment a lot on Manny and Lola's Facebook page, and I did mention in one of their posts that I would love a beautiful chocolatey brown. This is not beautiful, and it's not chocolatey, not to me. I'm talking dairy milk chocolate. That's what I want to see, not this green sludgy brown chocolate. That's not chocolate, that's mud, sludge. This is not a nail polish that I will be wearing very often, if at all. I might even put this in a giveaway because this is just not a colour that I'm interested in. So if any of my subscribers here in the UK would like a colour like this, let me know and I will send it to you. I cannot send it internationally because our postal system refuses to allow us to send nail polishes abroad, so in Royal Mail. So yeah, I cannot send it internationally, but if any of my UK subscribers would like this, let me know and I will get it sent to you, because I'm not going to wear it. It's not my colour. The next one is my colour, and it is a gorgeous Orly breathable, and it is in this beautiful purple, and this is in the shade Feeling Free, and it's a stunning beautiful purple. Recommended retail price for this is £12. Free your mani with Orly's treatment and colour formulation that nourishes your nail whilst giving an intense colour coverage. Feeling Free is a stunning, opaque and glossy classic purple that is a firm favourite amongst the Manny and Lola team. With purple symbolising power, freedom and strength, we love to wear purple all year round. Well, that's good to know. So yeah, I really love these. This is the shade, sorry, I got a sneak peek there. This is the shade. It's absolutely stunning. A gorgeous, gorgeous, like Cadbury's purple. You know what I'm on about, England. So yeah, I really, really love this purple. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. It's gorgeous, and I do really love that one. And the final nail polish is this. It is Cucio's Chakra. I think that's how you say it, Chakra. It is this beautiful, gorgeous red glitter, and it is absolutely stunning. And it is here on the swatch wheel. I think I'm going to have to top coat this. Let me just top coat it. Okay, so I've just put some top coat on it and now you can see it shining beautifully. It is absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And the recommended retail price for this is £6.95. Richly red and at the forefront of party season's leading shades, this stunning shimmering red will be your standout look this month. With glitter particles and a full coverage, you can enjoy rich colour and chip-free wear with minimal effort. So this is definitely Christmas to me. Red, glitter, beautiful, stunning. However, I own China Glaze ruby pumps, and they are practically the same colour. So if you have ruby pumps by China Glaze, you won't need Chakra by Cuccio. And if you've received Cuccio's Chakra in Manny and Lola this month, and you've always wanted ruby pumps by China Glaze, you pretty much do. And I can show you on the swatch wheel. So literally this one behind is China Glaze Ruby Pumps and this one in front is Chakra by Cuccio, and they are literally the same colour. So yeah, so I kind of was excited and then I realised that looks awfully familiar. So yeah, if anything, I would say that Cuccio's Chakra is a little bit more shimmery, bit more brighter, and Ruby Pumps has a bit more of a darker sort of base colour, but they are practically the same. Once you swatch them and you wear them on your nails, you will see they're both the same. So that is my Manny and Lola box for this month. I'm actually, despite the realisation that Cuccio is a dupe for Ruby Pumps and the fact that Zoya Cody is pretty much sludge, mud, I'm pretty chuffed with this box. And 5 nail polishes plus a Manny and Pedi set. Can't complain for £22.95, especially when the whole value of this box is over £60. So I will definitely be getting December's box. I'm hoping to continue this box in the new year as well. This is the one subscription box where I don't see myself stopping anytime soon. So yeah, thoroughly enjoyed that. If you did too, please like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified when my next video goes up, and I will see you in that next video. Bye!